Hello friends, this is Anubhav. I have created this space dodger game using the PyGame module in the Python language. To move the rocket towards the left, we need to press the left arrow key. And to move the rocket towards the right, we need to press the right arrow key. And here we need to avoid collision between the player, the rocket, and the aliens spawning from the top. If we collide with an alien, our health decreases by 1. And when we lose all of our health, it shows the final score, and after a few times, the game is over. Perfect! The tutorial will come soon. I hope friends you liked this video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. And for now, bye bye.